Welcome back to my channel, everyone. This project today is a little interesting in that I have my main project coming up in the very near future. Requires a tool for me to use to make it. In order for me to make that tool, I had to make this beam compass. So this is going to be a little short video, and I will also put up a video with my next tool that I made to do my main project that I got coming up in the very near future. So enjoy this short video.